Salam Prihatin boys and girls. I'm Jen Xuan from JT Robotics Petaling. Today I'm here to show everyone the proper steps of using hand sanitizer to sanitize your hands. Please follow along while watching this video. We'll do this for 20 to 30 seconds. Okay? First step, spray the sanitizer on your palms with the robot. Jen, help me spray my hands. Second step, stand your fingers to rub them in the palm and repeat for the other hand. Third step, rub the hands palm to palm. Jen, please clap. Fourth step, rub the back of your hand between the fingers and change. Fifth step, palm to palm with fingers interlaced. Jen, use automatic move. Sixth step, interlock your fingers with your palm to clean the back of your fingers. Repeat for the other hand. Last but not least, we grab the thumb and back, a rotating movement. Please do this for both hands. Thanks for watching.